Welcome to Interior Design YouTube channel. In the realm of interior design, the aesthetic sofa design has become a pivotal element in shaping the overall ambience of a living space. Contemporary sofa designs are much more than just functional seating. They are statement pieces that seamlessly blend form and function. Aesthetic sofa design often feature clean lines, aesthetic, sleek profiles, and a harmonious balance of materials and colors. Minimalist sofas with slender legs and understated detailing are in vogue, offering a sense of elegance and simplicity. On the other hand, bold and eclectic designs such as mid-century modern or bohemian-inspired sofas add character and personality to a room. Upholstery choices are equally important in achieving the desired aesthetic from simple silhouettes in rich jewel tones of natural textures fabrics that evoke sense of warmth and comfort. Ultimately, an aesthetic sofa serves as a centerpiece of a living space, not only provide comfort but also reflect the homeowner's unique style and taste, making it an integral part of a contemporary interior design. Thanks for watching. Must watch, subscribe and like Interior Design channel.